Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that has analytics access. Once signed in, go directly to Analytics. Google.com and choose the correct property and view. Make sure you have at least viewer permissions. Without that, you cannot see reports. If you manage multiple properties, pick the one tied to the site or app you need. Once done, skim the account/property hierarchy at the top left so you know where you are before proceeding to reports and real-time checks. Now navigate to the left menu and open Real-Time to verify live traffic. Then head to Acquisition to see where users come from. This tells you why traffic changed. Move through Behavior and Conversions to understand on-site actions and goal completions, and set a clear date range at the top. Compare periods to spot trends. Make sure to add segments or a secondary dimension for layered insight. Once configured, pin or export the view for stakeholder sharing or deeper analysis. Finish by exporting the tailored reports as CSV or PDF, or schedule recurring emails so stakeholders get updates without asking. Once scheduled, you free up time for analysis. Create custom alerts for sudden traffic drops or conversion spikes so you are notified proactively. If numbers look wrong, inspect the tracking snippet on your pages and verify filters or view settings. Make sure the tracking ID matches the property. If problems persist, test with real-time and a debug tool to confirm hits reaching analytics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.